If you want to add a timer or countdown to your Instagram story, this tutorial will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap the plus icon at the top left corner or swipe right to create a new story. Next, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner and choose the photo or video you want to upload to your story. After selecting your content, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A list of stickers will appear. Here, look for the countdown sticker and tap on it. This is Instagram's built-in timer feature for stories. Now, type a name for your countdown timer. For example, you can use something like birthday party, vacation, or any event you're counting down to. After that, set the exact date and time for the countdown. You can also customize the look of the timer by tapping the color options at the top. Once everything looks good, drag the countdown sticker anywhere on the screen and resize it using 2 fingers if needed. Finally, tap the arrow in the bottom right corner, then press Share to post your Instagram story with the countdown timer, and that's it. Your Instagram story will now include a live countdown timer that your followers can interact with. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tutorials.